Good morning on day 2 here in Shanghai. Behind us you have the Starbucks Reserve. So we're going to go and check it out. The moment we walked through the door, we were super impressed with the whole decor, the ceilings, the furniture, and well, of course, the food. The options here are not your regular options that you find at your regular Starbucks. So we were very, very excited to try this. On the first floor, you also get to see all the machinery that they use to brew their coffee. I'm not really sure how it works, but it looked pretty impressive to me. And then moving on to the second floor, this Starbucks has 2 floors. Crazy. Here on the second floor, we saw the Tivana collection. We also saw some really cute merchandising. I thought it was pretty cool how they displayed all the different teas, and they even have like a little sample for you to smell them. So even though I'm not really an expert on tea, I really thought this was cool. You can also find the bar here, which looked really cool as well. And we were able to find some menus here where you could see everything they had available. They had special drinks made that were like Shanghai specific drinks, like the Nanjing Road drinks. And here we got to see like the full menu in one place. Even though they have the app, we realized that not all the options are in the app. So we had to order in person actually. We serve brewed coffee. Wow.
They don't have the food here.
They have Tivana. They have bakery, cake. Yeah, they don't have the food.
This is something with berry and a ball of ice cream. Very interesting. Wow. Surprisingly good. Ice cream with whatever.
This is a tea, a blueberry tea with ice cream. Oh wow, and sparkling water. My drink was ridiculously good and super refreshing. I unfortunately did not get the name, so if you see something with ice cream, just get it because it's good. Now, when it came to the pastries, they did not live up to the expectation. Maybe something else would have been good. I guess you have to go and try. Then, unfortunately, Andrew's drink also was not very good.
An explosion of many different flavors.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like medicine.
I'm scared. It tastes interesting. Like cinnamony and sour, bitter. I would say that even though we didn't pick the best choices of food for us or drinks, you should still check it out because it's not a representation of all the foods. They have so many options. So in conclusion, we still recommend that you come check it out because it's such a unique experience and hopefully you could make better choices than us when it came to the food. See you on the next one.